Jah light guide me. Whoa, Jah light guide me. Hey. Jah light guide me. Jah light guide me. Rise up this morning with the sun in my eyes. Give thanks for the breath and the clear blue skies. The system said trap for the youth in the street, trying to make we bitter, trying to make we retreat. But Zion is a feeling that you carry deep within, a shield of protection from the Babylon sin. So let the drums roll like the thunder in the sky. We keep our heads up and we keep our aim high. Through the valley of the shadows, where the road gets steep, Jah light guide me. Even when the world's asleep, no darkness can dim it, no storm can blow it out. It's the fire in my spirit, clearing every single doubt. Man look for salvation in a diamond and gold, but the riches of the earth cannot save a man's soul. The path is rocky and the mountain is tall, but with the original power we never can fall. I hear the Naya Bingi chanting loud in the night, burning out the darkness, bringing in the light. Let the meditation be a sweet, sweet sound. Keep your feet firm upon the holy ground. Through the valley of the shadows, where the road gets steep, Jah light guide me. Even when the world's asleep, no darkness can dim it, no storm can blow it out. It's the fire in my spirit, clearing every single doubt. One love, one heart, one destiny. That is the message for the whole family. From the root to the fruit, let the truth be told. Greater is the story than what's ever been sold. Through the valley of the shadows, where the road gets steep, Jah light guide me, Jah light guide me. Even when the world's asleep, no darkness can dim it, no storm can blow it out. It's the fire in my spirit, clearing every single doubt.